looks like a cheeseburger. I want that.
Well, wait a minute. Whoa, whoa, we got you the thing that looks like a cheeseburger.
No.
Here, come here. Shall we inspect the delicious spread that is going to make you the size of Daddy when he was at his fattest? Now, wait a minute. I'm looking in here. Take a bite of that cheeseburger, kid, because you ain't eating much. And I'm letting you eat at the TV, which Mama doesn't like. Note here. You made me stop it. Don't. Here's the TV coffee table. There is the Easter decorations that Mama put to it. Hey! Stop it. Easter decorations that Mama has yet to put away. There's the television with Daddy's nice cabinetry work. What do you think of my cabinetry work? For an amateur hat carpenter, I'm not bad. It's my cabinetry work. Television right there, fireplace right there, and this out-of-control sun. Hey, dinner. Son, do you ever want to get big and tall? Like, I don't want to play seafood. Yo, dinner. Say goodbye, friends. No, I don't want seafood. Goodbye, friends.